Hi, I'm Nitika, mother of two girls, 9 and 3. Work for a company called Travelogues. Travelogues is all about exploring your city and rediscovering various facets of the city that one really wouldn't have seen. And we conduct a lot of cultural and heritage walks around the city. We do such walks for children as well, but there's a small story that I'd like to share with you. One day when I was getting ready to go for a walk, my 9-year-old just came to me and asked me if she could come along for a walk to South Bombay. And I was a little surprised, not knowing how much she's going to understand of what we do, but I took her along. And I think that day just sort of changed my perspective and perhaps her life, because at the end of the walk she had learned so much. She had absorbed so many concepts which she had learned perhaps in school, from books, from the stories that I had shared with her, but I could see her actually experience that. And that is when she turned around and said, "Ma, why don't you do these walks for my friends as well?" And since that day, which was a few months back, we've been actually taking lots of children out on our walks as well, simply because by taking my daughter out, I really understood that it's all about experiential learning. There's so much, because children are like sponge and they absorb so much from the surroundings. And today at Travelogues we have different kinds of walks which are specially designed for children, understanding the kind of needs and safety and security that they need to have when we take them either out on the road or to the caves. In the past now, we've been taking children out to Elephanta Caves. We've been taking them out into a neighborhood area like Shivli, for example, to show the fort, the cemetery, a 1,000-year-old monolith. And children have just been surprised by how much history in practicals is there for them to see and for them to learn. And we've always got very encouraging feedback from parents after each of these walks. We also have a cooking session which is specifically designed for children to get them inducted into cooking. And it's not so much cooking, but for them to also understand the basic concepts and perhaps get creative with all the ingredients and spices which are there in front of them. We've had some parents celebrate their child's birthday at Elephanta Caves. It's a fantastic way of being out and spending your birthday with your friends in an environment which is all about your culture and heritage. And we've had very encouraging feedback. So join us with your children for some great fun with Travelogues.